Joy J, for those who do not know me, and today I will be trying the Danish version of Domino's, and not only that, guess what else I'm about to do? Your girl will be biking there. You asked me, would I ever do this again? I'm not gonna lie to you. I will not. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, right now, I'm just getting ready. It says my order is completed. They're preparing my order. So now I'm about to put where I'm going on the GPS first. I'm gonna wear my jacket, you know, get weathered up. And then I'm gonna be heading to my destination. Put on my shoes and my clothing. Oh, I haven't worn this black jacket yet. There we go. And my other shoes. It's so hot in here, y'all. Okay. Y'all, I wish I had a black jacket. Black goes with everything. And I got deodorant on my shirt. But I wear my highlighter shoes, and then I wear this purple jacket, and people are looking at me like, number one, these are not winter colors. I'm a summer girl, if you haven't noticed already. And two, it doesn't match with this purple jacket, but guess what? I'm royalty. So I'm gonna wear what I want. And with my shoes, it represents how summery I am, okay? Okay. Let me just zip up my jacket. Make me put on my mask. Do I need headphones? No, not for my first time. Gloves, just in case, because it do be getting a little cold. I got my money. I need a bag. Give me a second. I'll be using this bag. And that's it. Come along with me. Okay, so I'm en route. This is what I'm riding for today. Ooh, another biker that I'm riding for today. So let's be on our way. Woo, y'all. I've only been on the bike for like 4 minutes, and I'm tired. Y'all, probably because I'm also coming up a hill, but yeah, Jesus. At least I have the experience of at least riding the bike. So they have, hold on, let me catch my breath. So they have an own paveway for bikers, and baby, it's like I'm actually driving on the street with cars. Okay, y'all, I took it out of the bag. Hold on, let's pause the vlog right quick. Number one, just a disclaimer. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Your girl didn't put the pizza lopsided because I was my own delivery woman, and yeah, the pizza didn't come out all perfectly and hot and, you know, how it's supposed to be, okay? So I'm gonna just tell y'all now, Domino's is not sponsoring this video, so I don't need to have any pressure on making sure that the pizza is hot and ready. Okay, it's not Little Caesars, but I'm still gonna eat it how I got it. But yeah, let's continue the video now. I'm excited. Oh! Y'all, crazy. I'm guessing this is the spicy one. Okay, so they make these is medium for them, y'all. Forgive the messiness. So this is a product in my bike ride. Okay, put that back on here. And this one is the Domino Supreme. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay. So we're gonna do a mukbang after this. All right. Hey y'all. Okay, so I already showed y'all how it looked lopsided after I got it off of the bag that I wrote. After I got it out of the bag that I used to put on my bike. There we go. So I don't know if y'all can see it. This one is the Domino Supreme. It has Let me look at what it has so I can give you a more accurate description. Let's see. Okay. So the Domino's Classic has pepperoni, peppers, red onions, mushrooms, and spring onions. Interesting. So spring onions is like green onions. Yeah. And then the spicy one has red and regular onions with pepperoni, peppers, like chile peppers. And that's all I can detect from here. So let's do a taste test. Let's see which one I should try first. Let's try the Domino's Classic. Y'all, I'm kind of sad that it's not warm. It's okay. Lord, cover the food, blood Jesus. Amen. Okay. It tastes like regular pizza. Let's see. Okay, y'all. Let's taste the crust. You know, I'm used to the crust with the garlic and stuff. Okay. The crust is not the same, but it's still good. Okay. I would have to give this an 8. It's not bad. And to be honest, it's not anything different. I think it's just the stuff that they put on it. Okay. While I'm eating this, let me tell y'all how my bike ride there was. As you see, I only biked 2 minutes and then I walked okay, let's say 4 minutes. Now I walked the rest of the way because hold on. Minutes. Walk the rest of the 10. Yeah. This is sparkling water, by the way. Okay, so over here, they make their own sparkling water. Well, in this house, I just use the soda stream and I press it 3 times and then that's it. But yeah, cool. But yeah, on my way back, I just rode down the hill because it was downhill. And then when I had to come back uphill, I just walked. But yeah, this is good. But y'all, this is like more of a small looking way in America. So maybe I should close my window, y'all. Anyway, my experience riding the bike was kind of scary at first. And you can tell people are looking at me like, bro, who is this girl? Who put her on the road, right? But coming back, I was more careful, more comfortable. I mean, okay. I'm ready to try the extra spicy. Let's see what they have here. Hot and spicy. Y'all, what they classify as spicy here is not spicy to me. Oh, okay, that got a little cute. But I'm gonna actually try one, and then we'll see. I'll be the judge of it. Okay. I don't know what type of peppers these are, but it has a little kick to it. Also, I forgot to mention they have jalapenos. I have to taste a little bit more. Yeah. I don't know which one I like better. Y'all comment down below. Which one of these two look better to y'all? Okay. They're both good, y'all. Okay. I wish it was warm, but even this makes sense because when I ordered pizza when I was back in the hotel, by the time the food got to me, it was cold. And I left a review like, yeah, there was no utensils. My pizza was cold. It was lopsided. But now that I experienced being my own delivery woman, I see why. Like even when I went to the Domino's, there was a Domino's bite to deliver pizza. I'm like, yo, people here got mad legs. Yeah, let me live here for how many years and that's how my legs get used to it. Okay. Guess somebody's looking at me, but cool. I'm gonna finish eating. I'm gonna turn off the camera. I'm not gonna look again, and I'm gonna close my window. See y'all soon. This is good. Also, All American is supposed to be out right now. I'm so excited. Okay. Well, I'm about to eat. And see y'all later. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed today's YouTube video. Please comment down below on which pizza do y'all think tastes better. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I just want to say thank you for all you guys' support, and I see y'all in the next video.